Hey guys, good afternoon. How are you? I'm here at Hyperlow, Puerto Rico, my favorite park to flying freestyle. One of the YouTubers asked me about my freestyle rig and what are the components that I'm using. So I'm just gonna do a very brief, not too technical overview of my freestyle frame. So right now I'm holding the GoPro. The GoPro I'm using a Brain FPV TPU stock mount, which means that once I put the GoPro on the stand of the drone, I can adjust the angle, which I personally really love. So here's the drone, starting from the front to the back. This is a Runken Phoenix 2 1000 TVL, which resolution is very good, coupled with my Orcas, which have a really wide field of view, 46 degrees, and for proximity flying it works really good. Also here on the front we got the T-Motor F60 1950 kV with right now I'm using the GenFan 5147 props. These motors are super powerful, power hungry, I'm not gonna lie, and with these props I feel I have a lot of grip in the air, a lot of control. So my GoPro footage looks decent, not professional grade, but decent. This is what I'm talking about, the stand of the GoPro. So I place the GoPro here with a screw and I can adjust the angle of the camera. Usually I like to run it at about 65 degrees. So when I'm flying forward, the field of view looks good and stable, also with the hyper smooth on the Hero 8. So this is the frame itself. This Hyperlow Airshot frame, my currently favorite frame, and as you can see it's stretched out, so it's pretty fast. I haven't measured the miles per hour, but it's fast. And that's the Diatone Mamba stack. I think it's a 55 amp burst. Also the flight controller, I'm using the latest version of Betaflight. And let's see what else. And back here, that's a Rush Tank VTX right there. It's with a double-sided tape pasted there. Currently, I mean, it's subject to opinion, but currently that's my favorite VTX. I mean, I'm only using a 200 milliwatt power output, and I can see very well, pretty far as well. And I'm using the band A channel 1, and it works great. I mean, also I'm using a rapid fire on the Orca, and the image is stable. I mean, for my freestyle flying it works great. I also have here a 35 volt capacitor pasted on the back, and back here you got the XT60 plug and a Lumineer XC2, which like I said before, I mean, the video looks pretty good. And for some weird reason my radio antennas are facing downward. The reason for that is that I don't want the antennas to be stuck on the props, so I inverted the 3D print mount downward, and I have no fear that the you know, the tubes get stuck on the props. I mean, that's no big deal. So yeah, that's a frame. And also on this particular frame I can put the GoPro down here. So when I'm doing forward flying, it looks like I'm flying backwards, but I haven't done that yet because you know, I'm afraid of the center of gravity being shifted all over the place. So yeah, that's a frame. I mean, that's pretty much all the components. So yeah, have a good day. Thank you guys. Take care.